Here's how to animate a logo in After Effects with only 2 keyframes and some extra prep work. First step, we want to have a full version of our logo ready, and we'll make that transparent. You also want to break up every part of the logo that you want to move separately. So I've got like each letter of logo, and then this box is separate, so I'm going to turn all those on. And then we're going to select all of them and make them 3D. Now let's add a second view and go to the top view. It's crucial to make sure that the anchor point is centered in the actual object. So let's select all of them, right click and go to transform and center anchor point in layer content. And so now you'll see each one has its anchor point centered, which is perfect in what we want. Now let's take each part of the logo and push it back in 3D space. So now that we have each logo object pushed out into 3D space, we want to realign them using the X and Y axis and scale to get them back in their proper position in relation to the logo. Definitely make sure to not move the Z axis in this process. Now that we have all the logo pieces in their proper positions, we can go back to our camera view only, and we're actually going to create a new camera. I like to control my camera with a null object, so let's create a new null object. And we're going to make that 3D and parent the camera to the null object. And now we're going to set a keyframe for the position of the null object, and we're going to move it down 2 seconds. Now we're going to move the camera forward in 3D space, and you're going to see the magic. And let's hide our logo layer, and we're going to add some easing to these keyframes, and go into the graph editor, and pull the ending keyframe back this way, which will just give a nicer animation. There we go, a logo animation in After Effects with only 2 keyframes. Take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more After Effects tips and tricks. Later.